are here to celebrate with you. Okay, you might be seeing this a little bit out of Mardi Gras, but it is Mardi Gras week here, and I'm excited today, you guys. I have something called DeDe's Cajun Jambalaya Starter, and I am very excited about this. DeDe sent this out to us the other day, me the other day, and I'm very excited, being that it's Mardi Gras the week, and I just kept seeing things on TV, and I'm like, I can't wait to try the sauce. So thank you, DeDe, for sending this out. I'm very excited. So what is this, you're asking? This is all of the stuff you need to make jambalaya except two ingredients, rice and meat. Now, the meat can be whatever you want, but let me tell you about this. So I was reading online, and apparently it was started by a female woman, a lady down in Colorado who is originally from Louisiana, and she's moved to Colorado, had some kids, and started up her business because she was missing it, and here it is. I hope I've gotten all that information right. If I don't, I'm sorry, DeDe. So what's in this, you're probably asking. So before I open it, because it's going to be a mess and it's going to be everything, let me tell you about it, what it is. This is DeDe's. Let me just read what it says. We made it easy to bring the taste of Louisiana home to your kitchen wherever you may be. Now, I have some friends down in Louisiana, so if you guys are down there and you're watching this, Jilson family, just want to say hello, and I'm excited to be making some southern food. Let's see, your taste buds will think you've cooked all day. We've done all the chopping and seasoning for you with a natural recipe of tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, celery simmered, and the perfect blend of spices to bring traditional Louisiana jambalaya home to your kitchen. Now, if y'all know about jambalaya, it takes a while to cook all those vegetables down, so it's already done here for you. That is exciting. For traditional Louisiana jambalaya, just add 3 cups of cooked rice to DeDe's Jambalaya Starter sauce and your favorite sausage, chicken, shrimp, or all 3. Today we're just doing sausage because that's what we got. Be creative. You can use DeDe's Jambalaya Starter sauce for braising liquid for cooked beef, chicken, or fish. Or you can just visit www.dedes, D-E-D-E-S, CajunCuisine.com. C'est magnifique, it says right there. It also says that this is gluten-free, dairy-free, wheat-free, geez, let's get that right, wheat-free, and nut-free. So there you go. So what is actually in here? Chicken broth, vegetable concentrate, cooked vegetables, carrots, onions, celery, tomato paste, carrot powder, onion powder, tomatoes, tomato puree, bell peppers, garlic, seasoning, and spices, including Worcestershire sauce. Everything that goes into Worcestershire sauce. And it says that it's organic. Louisiana girl cooking in Denver, right there. This retails for about $12. I saw it on their site, and Amazon, it's about the same. On Amazon, you have to buy a couple at a time, whereas on their site, you can buy it 1 jar at a time. Now, $12 does sound a little expensive to me for 1 jar, but let me tell you, if you bought all these vegetables, spent all the time chopping them and cooking them, you're totally saving money, I think. So let's crack it open and take a smell. Maybe. Oh, that's a seal. All right. Oh, that is Cajun cooking right there. That smells delicious. I can smell the peppers, onions. Oh, you guys, this is very exciting. Can you see that? It's a little watery, but that's all right. That's gonna be good. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. I miss the old cooking show. What was the old guy's name? I can't remember his name. Justin. I think his name is Justin.
Hello there. I'm Justin Wilson.
And I love that show. Anyway, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to switch to a different view here, and I'm show you how to chop up the sausage for this. Then we're going to go to the stove. We're going to fry up the sausage a little bit, get a little bit of a fond on there, some French for you. And then we'll heat up the sauce and put in the rice because, check it out, I've already cooked it. How exciting is that? All right, let's change angles and get to cooking. Okay guys, so when you're making the jambalaya, I am going to be using this. It is Hot Links Sausage, Louisiana brand, made in California. So it's a Louisiana style, but it is made here. This is what I got available. So I wish I had some boudin, or I had some crawfish, or make some etouffee, but we're making jambalaya with California sausage today. So here we go. I just got 4 links here. So let me pop this open and drain the juices. I guess I don't need to drain the juices, I just need to pop it open. All right, now if you're me, I like to slice it so that when you're making jambalaya is like a big pot. So when everybody is eating it, I want them all to get a little bit of meat at a time. So I'm just gonna slice it on the bias like this, maybe a 1/4 inch. You can do it how you do it. This is how I'm doing it. Let's go get this on the stove. All right, you guys, we're over here. I got the pan turned on and getting hot. And now I'm just going to add the sausage and fry this up a little bit. Now, the sausage is cooked. I just want to develop the flavor a little bit by making some brown on it. That's called the fond. So I'm just going to set it down, and already you can see. Look, can you see that? The fat is already rendering out. And that's just going to add flavor to our dish. Okay guys, I've been frying this up a little bit. It's been about 5 minutes. This stuff is pretty fatty sausage. I'm kind of in shock, but it's okay. I'm going to leave it in this time, but maybe next time I might drain it. If you're going for a lower fat diet, feel free to do that. I just wanted to leave it in for the flavor. All right. I think we're about to the point where we want to be. I just wanted to get a little flavor developed there, and now we're going to add our sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys, that smells amazing. Try not to burn it. Just get a little brown there. And now I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. That looks really nice. We're just going to bring this back up to heat, and in the meantime, I've got our 3 cups of cooked rice. All right, I had to break it up a little bit. There we go. All right, now I'm just going to break up our rice and heat it through. That is about as easy as it gets. I'm super excited about this, you guys. Now, my rice was made this morning, which is why it's stuck together, but you could make it with super fresh rice or day-old rice. Say you were out at the Chinese restaurant and you had extra rice, this would be a good way to use it. And it is super soaking it all up. Now, I could add a little bit of water to this, but I don't think I want to. Okay, you guys, guess what's ready? Jambalaya! Ba-woo! Ba-woo!
Man.
Ba-woo!
That's from the roast.
Not a very good Louisiana. Okay, so this is about how much it made. I would say that this would feed 4 good portions to a family of 4, 4 or 6 lighter portions to a family of 6, maybe with a salad and a side. But yeah, this is going to be quite filling. So that was 4 sausages and the 3 cups of rice. Gosh, I can't even tell you. It smells so good, you guys.
That's from the roast.
Okay, let's put some in a cup and stop delaying. Let's give it a taste. All right, so we got a little cup here. Pretend you're at a party. You're down by the bayou. I've got the rice. I smell. Okay, so let me just stop for a minute and just appreciate the smell. It smells like this has been cooking all day long. It really does smell great. Now, I'm going to taste just the rice and vegetables. Hello. That is delicious. That really does taste homemade. That is so good. If you enjoy jambalaya or rice dishes of any kind, there's a little spice. Now the spice is from the sausage, not from the mix. Take a bite of sausage. That is delicious. DeDe's. I'm gonna grab the jar so you guys can see it again. Now this is the empty jar, but oh, that sausage really has a kick. DeDe's, you guys did a great job. This stuff is excellent. I would highly recommend this. I give this like a 9. This is really, really good. I don't know what else to say about it. Super easy. You guys saw. I just fried up the sausages, dumped this in, put the rice in. Rice takes, minutes to cook, and you don't have to watch it or anything. You just turn it on, turn it off. So there you go. All right, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and like it. If you enjoyed it a lot, share it with your friends. I'd love to have you guys come back for more. Talk to me. Tell me what you think. Have you tried DeDe's? Do you know DeDe? DeDe, say hi. All right, you guys.
I'm Justin Wilson.
This is Taste Test. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.